Hey, welcome to the channel. My name is Luke, and I'm a programmer and web developer. I have something really exciting I want to announce. I've been working on a new 2D RPG called MortGarten. In the past, I posted some YouTube shorts playing with the idea and making some cool pixel art for it. Now that I have more experience and a lot more knowledge with coding and programming games, I really wanted to give that whole idea an actual solid try. It's always been a big dream of mine to make video games, and I want to start taking the steps to making that a reality. In the time I haven't been making progress videos, I went through a full stack bootcamp course to sharpen my coding skills, and I think I have a better grasp of what I'm really getting into. When I first started posting videos about MortGarten, I didn't even have a base level understanding of coding or how much time and effort it actually takes to get a game from being an idea all the way to a finished product I'd be proud of and something you would all want to play. For this first video, I really just wanted to introduce myself, my game, my idea, what I plan to be working on, and at the end, share some of the concept art I've been making and looking at to keep myself inspired. Well, with all that being said, I'd like to formally and officially introduce you my upcoming RPG, MortGarten. Release date to be determined. I'll be sure to keep you guys updated on what's going on and what I have planned for the game. Right now, I'm mainly doing baseline brainstorming, game planning, and design stuff. Once I have my ideas more formally organized, I'll make another long form progress video similar to this one. Make sure you let me know in the comments what you guys think and what direction I should take the game in. On screen is some of the concept art for the game. I really want to capture a vast and open landscape players are excited to explore. The main creatures of the game are going to be humans, orcs, goblins, and trolls. We're seeing some of the examples of human villages, cities, and castles right now. Okay, so these are the goblin villages. I really wanted the goblins to live in the jungles, surrounded by dense vegetation, cascading waterfalls, large trees, little caves and huts, and houses for the goblins to stash their treasure and weapons. I think with these pictures, you get a really good idea of how they live, just hiding and hoarding their little treasures far off in the jungles, mainly using quick stabbing weapons like swords, daggers, and spears. I really like this idea, seeing as most games seem to put goblins in dark caves underground. I really wanted these goblins to have more of a family or like a village type vibe. Really wanted to push the idea of how connected by greed they all are. Have some pretty cool lore ideas to be discussed further for these little stabby boys. For the orcs, I'm putting them in the desert, surrounded by barren wastelands and dead animal skeletons. With the orcs, I really wanted to emphasize how resilient and hardy they are, being able to survive in literally the harshest of environments. I've always really liked fantasy orcs in general, and I kind of have a lot of plans for them in the future. Mainly using axes, anyone would be foolish to go one on one with these brutes. The trolls are in the mountains. I really loved how the concept art for these guys turned out. I'm gonna love filling out their lore and finding a way to make these guys feel special. The trolls use hammers and maces, blunt weapon specialists. In the lore for the game, the trolls are the oldest of the living creatures, said to have been birthed alongside the mountains themselves and grew with them as well, called the Stone Herders. These massive beasts have cities and castles rumored to be older than the mountains themselves. So it's going to be pretty cool. Let me know what you guys think. Well, that's about it. Basically just a short intro video announcing the game, some of the races and whatnot. Should have more coming soon. If you have any questions for feedback, just drop a comment. I'm usually really good at replying to most of them. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe for more content. Bye now.